Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're keeping well. Well, welcome back to Rotherham United. Fingers crossed, a lot drier than the last game here. Crikey, that was wet. It was the match that got abandoned. I'm sure most of you have seen the video, but yeah, Rotherham United versus Luton Town today. And I'm on spec today, shooting for Hugh Evans again, but on spec, on commission. So really up to me what I do. So I'm going to go with Luton first half. They're 4th in the league. Rotherham are 18th. Although Rotherham haven't lost in the last 3 games, but could be a nice game. But I've got to go Luton first half. When you're on commission, as so many of you guys are, you've got to get what sells really. So any Luton sellies or goals, anything like that. Headshots, manager shots, you know, reaction, anything like that. Although if Rotherham do score and I'm the wrong end and they end up winning, that's the gamble. But got to go with Luton first half, make a decision at half time as to where to go, whether to move ends or stay with Rotherham attack. But yeah, so job's a good one. I've been online this morning, not really au fait with the Luton team or whatever, so I've been online, looked at the Luton team, just on their website, gone through the team just to familiarise myself with a few faces, strikers and whatever. Had a look at the match preview as well, just for any stories that might be on there, any injuries or anything like that. Checked out who the officials are, referee and referee's assistant, popped them on my code replacements. So yeah, all good to go. I've just done a few GVs. Sun's shining, it's nice and dry, just in a jumper. That's how we want it, innit? And yeah, I'm going to head out now, get the coach arriving, get some players on the pitch, inspecting the pitch, and off we go. Right, catch up in a bit. Warm-up sent off. It's 2:45. I'm going to head over to the dugout now and get ready for the manager's handshake. Well, I didn't get the handshake, I was blocked for that. We've got some nice profiles of the managers, so that'll do. It's goals and sellies I need today. Right, we're underway. Well, play's underway again, but we've just had a bit of fisticuffs right in front of me. Bit of pushing and shoving, made for some nice frames. I'll pop a few up now. Just while play stopped after a foul, I just switched the 400 onto the Luton manager, just trying to get a bit of reaction. Always keep an eye on the bench. Right, free kick. Just grab one of the ref. Always good to get 1 or 2 of the ref in case he has a story later on. You never know. Right.
That was a foul off the free kick. Morris, number 9. Having a right set to with the referee. Some nice shots there, I'll pop them up now. Good bit of reaction from both Morris and the referee then. I love the shot of the ref warning Morris to keep his head. I think there's going to be a card for Morris in a bit. He's a bit hot-headed. Two yellow cards in the space of 2 minutes. It's getting a bit heated. Yeah, just while there was a throw-in taking place, a Luton throw-in, I knew the manager was going to be looking this way. So I put the 400 on him and got some lovely reaction. You know, he was shouting out plenty of instruction. Got some nice stuff then of the Luton manager. Grabbed a few shots of the keeper, Josh Vickers, because he's preparing for a corner because he just made a cracking save. Well, that was a right melee in the 5-yard box. Not sure if I got the goal, but so many bodies about. But that's 1-0 Luton. Right, best check. Yeah, as suspected. He took a shot from the other side and I'm shooting through the net. I'm not sure if it's sharp or not. Never is through the net, blocked with loads of bodies. I've got it touching the keeper's hand, but I might have one shot. Nah, he's soft. Bloody hell. Half time. Nice celly though. He didn't half give the crowd some stick behind me. They've been giving him some stick though. Right, well that's half time. I'm just going to carry on selecting these. I'll get them downloaded, then I'll get moved. Definitely going to go Luton, I think, second half. Get in front of their fans. Quite strong going in 1-0 at half time. Right, that's them selected. I'll get it downloaded. I'll pop a few frames up from the first half. Catch up in 15. Press record and Rotherham have just given away a penalty, handball. Bit unfortunate. Not sure I caught it. No, it's just out of frame. Real poor bounce. He's just getting ready on the spots. I've just checked my exposure. Well, scored it on the rebound. That was lucky. I just had to dash off because they started celebrating 10 yards to my right. But I waited and waited. Got a nice reaction just as he walked off. I'll pop him up now. Whew, that was frantic. One or two fans trying to get in the celebrations. So I've just had to take a few of the shadows out on the celly shots. And when you take the shadows out, when you lighten it if you like, I always find it turns the image a bit red. So I just went into saturation and just desaturated the reds a bit. So I've just got through the set and edited all the celebrations. Now, I wait and wait and wait, just in case. The players were, the goal scorer was walking off, he was well up the pitch with a teammate. Other photographers had gone, and he suddenly spun round and gave a right nice fist punch and a good celly. And I was the only one to get that, so it's always worth waiting. Just while the Luton fans were all singing, just thought I'd try and get one or two frames of them. Just finishes off the set nicely. Job's a good one. I didn't get too much action second half, it was a bit messy, but pleased with them goal celebrations anyway, right in front of me. I chose right. I thought Luton would be too strong for Rotherham, unfortunately, but job's a good one. Well, thanks for watching, guys. It stayed dry. Anyway, I'll pop a few images up now from the second half. Leave any comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great week, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Catch up soon.